Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. I hope you all are doing great and learning lots by watching all the episode of our series PHP Beginners to Master. So guys, till now we have completed 14th episodes of this series and today in the 15th series I am going to describe you new topics and the concepts of PHP. That new topic is nothing but string functions in the PHP. So this is the part 2. It means we have already covered few parts in a previous session. So today I am going to describe you remaining important function of string uh, in PHP. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see in the screen, today we have this much list like 14 number of functions, important string functions, which I am going to describe you one by one. And today we will complete this string functions topic in this session itself. So let's see the first function. The first function is NL to BR. So it is new line to BR. So whatever new line means slash and we will give in the string or it will convert that slash n to the br. Br is the line break which is HTML tag. So let me show you this in the practical how we can use it. So let me start Visual Studio. So here Visual VS Code is started. Let me take one example of a string str. I am going to write some string here. Hello Mohan, how are you? So in this string you can see here I have used one backslash and so this is the new line but it is not being interpreted in the HTML browser. So let me show you how it looks there. str. Now let's see in the browser how it looks. So guys, you can see here it is showing like this. Hello Mohan, how are you? So, however, we have given here the slash n, but it is not being interpreted as a new line there. So that is why it is not coming in the new line, it is coming in the same line. So to convert this new line to the line break, we can use str, sorry, nl new line to br, new line to br tag. So it will convert that new line to the BR. So in the source view you can see here hello Mohan, then after the BR tag is placed it is just in place of the slash n. So this function does the same. So NL to BR it basically converts the new line to the line break, that is the HTML tag. So this is the only the use of this function. So this code you can see here I have used here NL to BR. Simply we have to pass the string which contains the new line. So it will convert that new line to the break, line break. So let's see the next function of a string, that is the printf. So the printf is basically used to get the formatted print, means to get the formatted string in a screen on display you can say. So that for that purpose we use the printf. Let me show you the example. So guys, let's see how this printf function works here. Let's suppose I have one string like price equals to, you can say, 200. Now I want this in this string, so how I can use it? Let me show you echo printf. So if I'm going to write this way, product price is slash u, and here we can pass the price. So it is too costly. So let's take an example like this is the string. In this string, we have to print this price in between this complete string. So how we can use it? So in printf takes two arguments. The first argument is the string itself. This string will contain one formatter. So I will give you the list of formatter, what formatters is used for what purpose. So and after that, in the second argument, we need to pass the value for that particular formatter. So the thing is that you have to understand like the sequence of formatter must be same. Let me show you the by giving one more example. Firstly, see how it works. Let me show you in the browser. You can see here product price is 200, so it is too costly. Why it is showing 40? Sorry, this echo I have used, that is why it's showing that way. Now you can see product price is 200, so it is too costly. So this way, if you have two different identifier, let's suppose rate or count equals to 5. So if you want to print like percent u products cost is this, so it is too costly. So guys, you can see here I have used two formatter. This is the first formatter and this is the second formatter. So the first formatter is used for the number of count here, but the second is used for the price value. So the sequence of formatter, whatever we have used, in the same sequence we have to pass this its value as well. So you can see here the count formatter is coming first, so I have to pass the count as the first value and the second value as a price. So this count will come here in the first position and the price will come to the this position. So let me show you. So it is showing as I have described you, five products cost is 200, so it is too costly. So this way guys you can understand like this printf function basically let us provide the features to print the string in a formatted way. So as I have used percent %u, so in this similar way, there are lots of other formatters also. I am going to show you. So these are the other formatters you can see here. So like percent %b is used for the binary number, percent %c is used the character according to the ASCII value. Like I have used percent %u means unsigned decimal number and percent %g sorter of percent %t like this. There are lots of different format you can use it here. Percent %s is used for the string purpose. So this way we can pass different formatter there. So this is what about the usage of this printf function. So this printf function does this part only. It gives the output in a formatted way. Now come to the next series of function, that is the trimming function. So R trim means right trim, L trim means left side trim, and trim means both side trim. So what this trim does? So this trim basically removes the unwanted, you can say white spaces from the left side or right side or both sides. So let me give you this one example to demonstrate this usage of this function. So here you can see I'm going to type one string like the name. I can say if let's suppose if we are storing this name value in a database, so how it will stored. Let's suppose Ram Prasad Gupta. So guys, you can see here how many characters we have in this complete string. Let me show you. So there is one function available, that is strlen, which is used to count the uh, count before trimming. So for that strlen. So this is also the string function which is used to count the length of string. So you can see here, and after applying the trim, what the length is, count after trimming. So let me give you the usage of trim. So here I'm passing this name variable. Now see, let me put one line break. Now see the output. So you can see here the count before trimming is 17, means there are 17 character length in the given string, but after the trimming it is 16. So it is somehow it is going to save the space for one character. So you can see here I have applied the trim. So trim basically what it does, it remove the white space from left and from the right side. So you can see here in the left side there is one space, so this space is going to be trimmed by the trim function. Let's imagine there are one more space to the right side. So how it works, you can see here count before trimming is 18, but after trimming it becomes 16. So trim function basically remove the spaces from left side as well as the right side. If we are using the left trim, L trim, so it will remove the space from left side only. Let's see. You can see here before it was 18, after it is 17, means it has removed the space from left side only, that is why it is counting as 17. And the same way you can use R trim, right trim, so it will remove the space from right side, again it is showing the same. So you can see here, so this way LTR trim function removes space from both side, L trim removes from left side, and the R trim removes space from the right side. So this is the usage of the trim function. In the same way, let's see the next function, that is SHA1. SHA1 function, this is the function used for the generating hash hash string. Hash string is basically used when we want to uh, uh, encrypt any given value and you want to store in a database so that others cannot understand what the value is. So for that we can use the SHA1. In the same way, we have already used the crypt function and the MD5 also we have used. So this is another type of encryption, that is the SHA1 encryption. Let me show you the example of this function. So guys, let's see the usage of the SHA1 function. Suppose we have one string, that is the name is Mohan, you can say, and we want this to be encrypted by using SHA1. So SHA1. So what is the full form of SHA? So it is, you can say, secure hash algorithm. It is secure hash algorithm 1. So this algorithm was developed by US. So you can understand this US secure hash algorithm 1. So let me pass this string here, and it returns us the encrypted string, encrypted str, and we can print this here, echo this way. So however this function takes two parameter, the second one is the default. So I am going to show you the first one first. See here, it is just giving us the encrypted value. So when you will count this, so you will found that this is the 40 characters. Let me show you. So we can count this length if you want. Let me show you by giving one br. Sorry, br count is. So we know like to count the string length, what function we use? We use strlen. this function is used to count the length of string. So it will be 40, I guess. Yes, the count is 40. So here you can see if we are the second argument, if we are not passing, so that second argument is nothing but false. If we are not passing anything, so it is false. So false means it is giving us output in a 40 character of in a hex format. So if it is false, so it is giving output in a hexadecimal format. If we are going to make it true, so it will give us output in binary format, and that will be only 20 characters. See here. So count is become 20 and it is the binary format. So that is why it is showing this way, because this is not being encoded by this HTML. That is why it is showing like this. So if we are passing here 20, so it will give us, sorry, if we are passing true, so it will give us 20 characters in a binary format. If we are passing false, so it will give us 40 characters in a hexadecimal format. So this is the usage of this SHA1 function. Now let's see the str get CSV function. So what this does, basically it gives us one array after passing the comma separated value. So this CSV is nothing but the comma separated value. You can see here. Let's suppose we have one CSV. So CSV stands from comma separated value, comma separated value. So see, this is the full form of CSV. Let's suppose we have a list of our friends' name: Ram, Mohan, Geeta, Sita, John, Alexei, and so on. And we want these names to be printed in array format, or you can say that we want to print the loop, or you want to say hello to everyone. So first of all, you want the friend. Let me create friend list. So you want to convert this CSV into array. So for that, str get CSV. So here you need to pass the CSV value, so it will give you the array. And you know very well, to print the array, what we use, print r. So let me pass this value inside the print r. Definitely it should give us the list of friends. So you can see here it is giving us the list of friends in an array format. So this is the usage of this function. Get CSV basically converts the comma separated value into an array. Now next function is str shuffle. So str shuffle randomly shuffles all characters in a string. So it is used to generate any random string, you can say, by using any string. So let me show you how it works. This is very simple one. So let's suppose we have characters A to Z. You can say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these characters we have, and we want every time the random, you can say str, and we want every time a random string. So how we can get it? So for that we can use str shuffle. So in this we can pass str and it will give us every time different value. Let me show you. You can see here, first time it is giving this way. You can see every time it is shuffling the characters. So this is the usage of this str shuffle function. Now the next one is the str split. So str splits basically splits a string into an array. It splits a string into an array. So let me show you the example of this str split. So guys, let's see the usage of is str split function here. So let's suppose I have one Ramesh Kumar. So this string I have and I want this to be splitted, so str split. So str split basically takes two argument. The first is the, you can say, the string, and the second argument is the length of smallest string what we want here. Sorry, length of the maximum character in the string what we want. Like if I'm passing 2, it means it is going to break this complete string into part of 2 characters. So what will be the first RA, and the same way ME, SH, KU, MAR. So this will be the output in array format. So it returns one array. So let me take it in a other variable, and to print the array what we need the printer. So dollar $a we can use here. Let me show you. You can see the same output it is giving us array me sh ku ml, and the last one is small r. If we are not passing any length here, so it is by default 1. If we are not passing, so it is by default 1. So it will split in a single character, you can see. So this way the str split function works. Now let's see the next one, str word count. It basically count the number of words in a string. Let me show you. Let's suppose this is the string, and in this there are two words, we can see Ramesh and Kumar, and we want str word count. So let's see how many counts it is giving us. Simply we can equate because it returns the count only, and it should give the 2 as a count. You can see it is working. So this way you can count the number of words in a given string. So this is the usage of str word count. Now the next function is, you can see here, str case compare, str and case compare, str cmp, and str and cmp. So all these four functions are basically used to compare the two strings. So all these four functions are used to compare the four strings. Let me give you example one by one. So you can see here, let's suppose we have two string. This is the string 1, and in this I am going to write hello world, and in another one I am going to write hello. Let me make it capital letter. So if I'm using this strcmp, so what it is giving us, echo strcmp, we need to pass the string 1 and string 2 here. So this is the string 1 and this is string 2. Let's see the output. It is returning 1 because this is match found, and both are similar because it is ignoring the case. Let me give here. Now see, it is again returning 1. It means the match is not found. So this way it, so as you can see here, the case is different. That is why this string are not matching. If it is matching, so if it matches, so it will give you, let's suppose same, or you can say equal. If both are equal, so it will return you 0. If the first one is less than, if first one is the greater than the second one, so it will give you the less than 0. Otherwise it will give you greater than 0 value. So let's see if we are passing the same string. If we are passing, so it should give 0. You can see here because it is matched. If we are passing str2 here, so it should give 1. You can see, and if we are comparing string 2, so you can see here string 1 is greater than string 2. String 1 is greater, no, sorry. String 1 is less than string 2. That is why it is giving you this value. Now let's change this value. So you will take the different one. You can see minus 1. So this way, guys, it works. So this way it works basically. So you, for example, or simplicity, let me write it here, uh, how it works. So you can see if it returns the 0 if two strings are equal. Let me remove this. And if string 1 is less than string 2, then it returns greater than 0. Less than 0 means negative value, you can say negative minus 1. And if string 1 is greater than string 2, the first string, so it gives the 1 value. So this way it returns three different output. So this in the string and camp, what we do here, we just specify like how many characters from the first it have to compare. So let's suppose here you can see HELL 5 characters. If you want to compare the first 5 characters only, so we have to pass the 5 here. So here an is suggest like how many characters we want to compare from the first. So from the first we want to compare only 5 parts, 5 characters. Or take another example. Let's suppose we have Ramesh Gupta and we have Ramesh Sonkar. So you can see here uh, we have two person name Ramesh Gupta and Ramesh Sonkar, and we want to know how many are there whose first name are same, whose first name are same. So you can see here the first name is coming in 6 character, so you can pass the 6 here, and you can see it is giving 0 because the first 6 characters are same. That is why it is giving you like this. If we are not passing this, so definitely it is not the same. So uh, it will return you other value, that is 1. So this is what the and the same way you can see str case compare, str and case compare. So all these work similar way, only with the case of n we need to pass the how many characters from the beginning we have to compare. So this is what the use of this for function in the PHP. Now let's see the next function str reverse. So this function is used just to take the reverse value. Let's suppose we have this string and we want its reverse value. So initially it is Ramesh Gupta. So strrev. So this function returns the string in a reverse way. So it should give you the Gupta Ramesh. You can see it is giving you in a different manner. Means it is uh, giving you the reverse sequence of every character. So what it is doing first, it is taking the word in a reverse order. So the first time it will print you A, T, you can see here. So what will be the reverse order? It will print A first, then print T, then P, then U, then G, then space, then H, then S, then E, then M, this A, then R. So this should be the output. You can see here the same is showing here. So to reverse a given string, we use the str reverse. So let's see the other function, that is str to lower and str to upper. So let's suppose this name is given here and we want all the characters to be in a lower case, so we can use str to lower. So it will return all the characters in a lower case, you can see. So to convert all the characters in a lower, we use the str to lower. In the same way, we can use str to upper. So str to upper basically converts all the characters in a uppercase letter. You can see it is showing this way. So str to upper is used to convert uppercase. So this is what I have mentioned. Str to lower, str to lower. It is used to convert in a lowercase. Str string to upper. It is used to convert in a uppercase letter. Now the most important function is substring. Substring is used in a PHP mostly when we are using when we are creating any blog site. So let's suppose we have this complete name and we want to show only the first five or six characters. Then after we want to show dot dot like this. Ramesh, so we want to show like this because the place where you have to show this name that there are very limited place, you can say only five characters you can see or show there, but if the name is having more than five, so you have to show this way dot dot dot. So how we can use it? So we have to show only the substring. So for that we use the substr. So the full form is this one is substring. So substring means it gives us the string, it gives us the part of the string. So this string we have passed here, and the second argument we have to pass like from which character we have to start reading. So we want to read it from beginning. So we have to pass 0. And we want how many characters? We want five characters only. So it will give us the five characters only. Let's see. You can see here first, two, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So it is giving us the five character, but it is reading from 0. If you want to read it from uh, uh, right side, then you can pass it minus minus 1. Let's see, it is giving you A. So this is the first character you can see. If you want to take it minus 5, let me give you. So this way guys you can use it in a different way. So substring as substr is used to get a part of a string. In the same way you can see the other function UC first and UC words. So let's suppose we have one sentence, my name is this way, you can say I have written this way, and we are going to use UC first. UC first. So what it will do, it will uh, convert the first character of sentence into uppercase, and it not touch other, it not converts other words. It will just convert the first character of string. You can see here the first character was M, so it is converted here. So let me compare this with the output. So you can see here the first character was small m, so it becomes capital, and others are showing same way. So you see first this function basically convert the first character into uppercase and keep remain other words. Now the same way you can use UC word. So UC words, what it does the same, but it does in a whole string. Like it converts the first character of every word in a capital letter. So let me show you. So the output for this should be my name, and it will be capital, I will be capital. So this should be the output. Let me show you. So you can see here my name is Ramesh Gupta, it is showing. So this is the usage of these two function, UC first and UC words. And the another function is the word wrap. So let me show you this one. It is basically used to wrap a string to a given number of characters. Means after particular given number of characters, it will wrap the string uh, in a PHP. So let me show you the example here. So guys, let's see the example of UC words. You can see the syntax for this uh, word wrap function is, you can see syntax for this is, it takes basically four argument. The first one is very mandatory and the all rest three are optional one. So I will describe you what these arguments are. So you can see here, let's suppose I have one string, my name is, this way you can understand for now, Ramesh Gupta, and only this part only. So this is the sentence, and we want to apply word wrap. So the first is the string itself that I have passed, and the second is the width, means after how many characters it is going to make a new line. It is not going to wrap the string. So let me give you give here five characters. So after the five characters, it is going to wrap the string, but it will not break the word. Let's suppose in this word you can see it is more than five characters. So it is not going to break this word. And once breaking, so it should apply what BR you can say. Now see the example. So this way you can say my name is Ramesh Gupta. So you can see it is Ramesh Gupta, but Ramesh Gupta, this word length is more than five character. But after it is not getting breaked. So if you want to break it as well, so you have to pass the fourth character as a true. Fourth argument as a true. So it will cut the last word as well. You can see now it is showing this way. My name is Ramesh. The first, this is the five character, and after this, it is breaking this way. So this is what the word wrap does. So word wrap basically does what? It wraps the given string into a given number of characters. So the first is the string itself, and the second is the width. Third one is the breaking line, and the fourth one is cut. You can pass true or false. If you are passing true, so it will break the last word as well. So in this episode this much guys, and I hope you all are enjoying by watching and doing practice as well. So gradually we are trying to make you move to the next level of PHP learning session. So hope you all are getting a feeling of becoming beginners to master. So this is the name of this this is the purpose of this series, to make you, to move you the next level from beginners to the masters. That is why we have made this series beginners to master. So guys, in this episode this much only. Thank you, keep tuning, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new in this channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest update on our new coming episodes for this series. So thank you guys.